Hello students, how are you? This is my first video in the month of October 23. The slogan or theme of this video is Patience is the name of the game. I am repeating again, patience is the name of the game. Today was the expiry of Nifty, Bank Nifty and some other indices. Look at the chart of gold. How wonderfully it walked on monthly trading levels, opened below the trend decider, marched to support 1, and then what a journey, it approached to the final resistance of 61,247. It formed the high at 61,127. What a remarkable gain of 5,000 points in a month's time. This is the chart of Nifty 50. Look at it. As mentioned, 19,852 is a trend decider. Actual trend decider is 18,628, but mentioned that it may face resistance at 852. It will march above, then it can move northward 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day. It approached 19,852 but never moved above and tanked and hit the final support of 18,880 successfully. Wonderful performance. Look at trend decider of Bank Nifty. It was 44,604 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 6 day, 7 day, 8 day, 9 day, 10 day, 11 day. And 11th day when it approached, trend decider never ever managed to cross above and tanked to the final support of 42,280 today successfully. And that was a remarkable month or remarkable performance of Nifty, Bank Nifty, gold, and even the crude oil. Look at the chart of crude oil and how it played in the month of October. It was really October festival. Look at trend decider and the final support. From trend decider to final support, it managed to take the support 4 times, 5 times, and trend decider worked as a resistance. Fall from there, managed to take the support at 6,880, marched northward, again southward, managed to take the support at the 6,880 and approached the 7,552, which is a trend decider. And from there again dropped to the level of 6,880 and then again managed to take the support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Crude oil managed to take the support at 6,880. What a remarkable performance of monthly trading levels. With these words, lots of love, blessings, and the slogan again, the patience is the name of the game, and quickness is the second name of the game. When you approach to the final support, or you approach to the trend decider, when you approach to the resistance 2, you approach to the support 2, or you approach to the final resistance, you should act smartly and quickly. With these words, lots of love from core of my heart. Patience is the name of the game.